Who is the creator of the heavens and earth? Jehovah or Jesus or both? JW said it was Jehovah. Learn from the great teacher, chapter 3, the one who made all things. God made the heavens and the earth. He made people too. He created the first man and the first woman. Jesus, the great teacher, taught this Matthew 19:4-6. How did Jesus know that God made man and woman? Did Jesus see God do it? Yes, he did. Jesus was with God when God made man and woman. Jesus was the first person that God made. Jesus was an angel, and he lived in heaven with his Father. The Lord Jesus cannot be an angel because he is the Word of Jehovah, John 1:1-14, Revelation 19:13. His Word cannot be created. What does the New Testament says? NWT, Colossians 1:16, because by means of him all other things were created in the heavens and on the earth. The word other is not in the Greek. Even if you add other, it will serve no purpose. Why? Because in the Old Testament it says God created the heavens and earth, Genesis 1:1, Isaiah 44:24, 48:13. First part is by/in and the second part is through, so which is which? Is it by/in or through or both? NWT, Psalms 33:6, it says by the word of Jehovah the heavens were made. Channeling. Where did it say God created all things through his Son? It says by/in. Thayer definition of in, by, with etc. If it is through him, then why it says by or in him? Kingdom Interlinear uses the first part as because in him it was created all things. NWT says because by means of him. Why by and not through? NWT, Psalms 33:6, by the word of Jehovah the heavens were made. The Greek word dia can also mean by in Colossians 1:16. G1223, dia, Thayer definition, 1, through, 1c, of means, 1c1, by. Albert Barnes commentary uses the word by him. John Gill commentary uses the word by him. Joseph Benson commentary uses the word by him. Jameson Fawcett Brown commentary uses the word by him. Summarized Bible uses the word by him. Matthew Henry commentary uses the word by him. JW, learn from the great teacher, chapter 3, let us make man. JW, the Bible tells us that God said, let us make man. Genesis 1:26, do you know whom God was talking to? He was talking to his Son. He was talking to the one who later came to earth and became Jesus. JW, did Jesus see God do it? Yes, he did. Actual, God and his word made man. Who did God ask, let us make man? He is asking his word, let us make man.